Good morning, Misfits.
Misfits.
Guess what today is? It is. Oh, where's mine? Okay, so we don't have like the cool official ones,
Red
noses, but it is Red Nose Day. Good thing we had some cherries.
Yes.
I got red lipstick on.
I don't.
That's
But for those of you who don't know what Red Nose Day is, it's actually a campaign to raise funds and awareness for children and young people that are living in poverty. And one of the ways that they do that is by just having fun and making people laugh. So you can do that today to participate in it. Make someone laugh.
Yeah.
Tell us a joke.
Yeah, because we tried to think of some and we don't have any cool jokes.
Yeah, they're cheesy. Or
I think we're just funny because we embarrass ourselves probably. So you can laugh at us. I don't know, whatever.
Yeah. But if you want to know more about it, or even if you want to know about getting involved, you can go to their website. It's just rednoseday.org.
Yes.
That's it.
What else do we have coming up?
We've got Memorial Day coming up.
It is Memorial Day.
Weekend.
Yes. So we would like to take the time to just say our thank yous for everyone that that serves our country, that has served and that is currently serving. Our dad served in the military, and we have family that has served in the military and is still serving. So we're totally grateful and thankful for all of you who sacrifice and, fight for our freedom. So
Right.
we appreciate you and we love you.
Yes.
And we pray you and your families are blessed.
Yes. We know that without the people in the military and those that protect us and serve us, we wouldn't have any of the things that we get to enjoy every day and being free in this country. And to those of you who have also lost loved ones because of it, our hearts are with you and we pray for you because you also have given up some things too because of that. So
Yes.
I want to thank you and know that we are praying for you also.
Yes,
Totally.
totally.
But as far as that,
On a lighter note,
on a lighter note, yes, it is Red Nose Day.
yes, yes. So I don't know if you guys have anything cool or special planned for Memorial Day. We don't have anything planned yet. I'm sure we'll think of something.
Hopefully, lots of stuff in our face.
Yes. Of course, you got to eat, right?
Exactly.
Some of you might be out by the pool. We might as well. As far as getting in the pool, probably not. But I don't know. It's supposed to be pretty hot. Actually, the weather's been kind of crazy.
Yeah, up and down.
Up and down. It was hot
Kind of
today.
weird.
Like, yuck today.
Yeah, so we'll see. I do have a fun little dessert recipe to share with you that you could try on Memorial Day. And it's really easy. Basically what they are is like little cookie ice cream sundae cups. So what you do is you make a cookie, like a batch of cookies, but like without any mix-ins in, so no chocolate chips or anything like that. So just make a regular batch of cookies. There are lots of recipes that you could come up with to help you make that. So then you take 1 scoop of the cookie dough and put it into a muffin tin, and you go ahead and bake the cookie dough for about 10 to 11 minutes. And then you take them out, and they're going to be pretty soft, which is okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take, you could probably use something else if you wanted to, but a little spice container, just like the round ones, and you just kind of push it into the muffin so that it kind of makes a shape inside, like
Like a little cup.
like a little cup. And then you let those cool off in the tin. I'm at a loss for words here. In the tin, and then after you let that completely cool off, then you're going to take a scoop of ice cream. I did vanilla, but of course you could always change that too to any other flavor that you want. And then you take a scoop of ice cream into each little cookie cup, and then you can put it back in the freezer so that can freeze. And then while you're doing that, you can either just buy chocolate sauce that is already made, or you can make one of your own. And it's really easy if you do. You just do some chocolate chips, and you can put a little bit of coconut oil in it, a little bit of melted coconut oil in it, and it'll just mix right up. So then you can take those cups out, drizzle the chocolate sauce on it, and sprinkle a little bit of like a nut topping if you'd like, and then you can put them in the freezer to set again until they're ready to be served. And then I would suggest taking them out probably about 10 minutes before you eat them so that they're not so hard, and they are delicious.
They are good. They
If
were
you need
definitely a hit.
like more specifics about that, or if
Oh,
you're
yeah.
like confused by anything, just leave a comment and I will respond.
Yeah, and we can put details
Yes.
as well,
well.
so that you guys can have the recipe. And another cool, quick little side dish that's super, super easy, not a dessert, it's jalapeno corn. And yeah, it's so good, but it's so easy to make. You basically just need 1 package of cream cheese. Leave it at room temperature so that it's nice and soft and you can mix it in. And then you can use 2 cans of corn. And depending on how much cream cheese, the ratio of cream cheese to corn that you like, you can put another can of corn. Drain the corn so it's not all soupy. And then you just mix that in. And then to your liking and to however you're able to handle heat, you can put in 1 jalapeno, 2, whatever jalapeno of your choice. I start out with 1 and I, dice it up as fine or as big as you want. But I take the seeds out so that way I can slowly add the heat. So in this last batch I made, and sometimes it depends on the jalapenos too, like some are not that hot. In this last one, normally I really only have to put 1, maybe even 2, but this one I put 3. And it just has a tiny, tiny hint of a kick, so it's up to you. But, and that's it. And then you, if you're not serving it right away, put it back in the fridge and take it out when you're ready. So we'll leave the details for that as well. But I think that's all we have for today. The song we have in our background is Welcome to America by Lecrae. We thought it was very apropos for Memorial Day coming up. So I think that's it. Hope you have a great time making people laugh today for Red Nose Day. Enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. We love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share our video, like it, or don't. It's okay, whatever. But leave us feedback. We love to hear your guys' comments, different things like that. So, and follow us on social media, Twitter, Instagram, and hopefully Facebook soon. So,
Yes.
love you guys.
Bye, Misfit.
Bye.